Alright, so let's check out launch control. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to push the circle button. Hold that for a couple seconds till our menu pops up on the dash. We're going to use our turn dial. We're going down to settings. Then we're going to go into mode settings. And then we're going to go launch mode. Click on that. And why? Maybe it's not working because it's not on. Power mode. Full power. Launch mode. Here we go. So we got to go click into full power and then we'll turn it into launch mode. We'll put repeat. So what it's going to do is it should trim your nose down when you're taking off, then come back up to stationary. Okay, come here. Come on up. We're just going to verify our settings. I'm going to go back into our menu. We'll go into settings. Mode settings, power mode. We're in full power mode. We'll launch mode. Maybe we gotta go trim preset. No. Launch mode. How come? Alright, we're already in launch mode. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, see what this has got. For some reason it didn't take off all that fast in launch mode. Might be quicker that way, but I don't know. Try it one more time here. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Takes off pretty quick, fairly smooth. Wonder. Now let's see if it trims up there as we're driving. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Launch mode's pretty smooth, gets you up and going pretty quick. Let's take her out of launch mode for a minute. Vehicle settings. We'll go to mode settings, launch mode. Oh, maybe we gotta have the machine off. So we'll go to mode settings, launch mode. There. Turn launch mode off. So the vehicle's got to be, the ski's got to be off to put it in and out of launch mode. Okay, so we're out of launch mode. You see what goes on there with just without launch mode. Your hands okay?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
was a good one.